With example 2, we're asked to graph the quadratic function negative 3x squared plus 4. I went ahead and set up a table. You want to have the input x, the actual equation form of the function, negative 3x squared plus 4, the y value, the resulting y value, and then the xy coordinate that will be graphed before we connect the dots to make the curve that is the quadratic function. So I went ahead and filled in this first one. Negative 3 times negative 5 squared plus 4, that equals negative 75, because negative 5 squared is 25 times negative 3 is negative 75. We're still adding 4, so that's negative 71. So we're going to want to plot the point negative 5, negative 71. With negative 3, we have negative 3 times negative 3 squared plus 4, which equals 9 times negative 3 is negative 27 plus 4, which equals negative 23. So negative 3, negative 23. Negative 1, we have negative 3 times negative 1 squared plus 4, which equals negative 3 plus 4, which equals 1. So negative 1, 1. At 0, we have negative 3 times 0 squared plus 4, which equals 4. So we have 0, 4. At 1, we have negative 3 times 1 squared, or plus 4, which equals negative 3 plus 4, which equals 1. With 3, since the x value is being squared, we're going to end up with the same on both sides of this equation, the negative side and the positive side. So 3 is going to end up being 3, negative 23. And at 5, we're going to end up with the same thing as negative 5. So 5, negative 71. So now we just plot those points. So negative 5. So way over here at negative 5, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go down to negative 71, which is going to be right about here. At negative 3, we're at negative 23. So 10, 20, 3. So that's going to end up being right about, here's negative 3, we'll go down to right about here. Negative 1, 1, so if this is negative 1 here, 1 is going to be right about here. At 0, we're at 4, which is going to be right about here. 1, we're back down to 1. At 3, we're back down to negative 23. And at 5, we're back down to negative 71. All right, and then we essentially just connect those with a smooth curve. Let's go in the positive direction first, negative direction second. And there is our graph for y equals negative 3x squared plus 4.